Meaning of dump truck.
Dump truck.
Dump truck.
Dump truck.
Dump truck. A dump truck is a type of heavy-duty vehicle commonly used in construction and mining industries. Its main purpose is to transport large amounts of loose material, such as dirt, gravel, or rocks, from one location to another. The truck bed is designed to tilt backwards and dump the load out of the back, making it easier to unload and transport the materials. Dump trucks are available in various sizes and configurations, including standard and articulated models, and play a crucial role in many industrial operations.